Welcome back to Ladybug Lane Soaps, everybody. This is Margie, your hostess for the mostest, and thank you so much for joining me today. Alrighty, so what's going on today? I'm going to be making another batch of soap for a baby shower that my husband's cousin is going to be having. Congratulations. So I had made a couple of batches. The first and second one, they were different colors, different fragrances, and she's kind of going for the cute, soft jungle theme. But then she wants a couple of fragrances for the men, and so this one is going to be the Olive Branch, which is a Lush dupe. And so I'm going to, I got to show you. So I bought these first silicone molds that I've ever bought from Brambleberry. And these are their 10-inch ones. And so I thought that these would be kind of nice for this Plop Plop design. So I'll be doing that. And let me get my colors over here. Alrighty, so this here is the black oxide pigment. Hopefully you can see that. And with pigments, the particles are larger than micas. Micas are much smaller. You know, the particles, or whatever you want to call it. And so you definitely need to pre-mix your pigments, which also includes like neons. And then for the green, here's the Enchanted Forest Mica from Rustic Essentials. So it's going to be the white and the black and this green. There you go. And then I have some already pre-mixed titanium dioxide. So let's get my handy dandy goggles on. This has been one of these very busy days, and so I just hope my little head is on straight. And I already mixed up the kaolin clay. Actually, I had mixed up the kaolin clay in some water, warm water, thinking it was the titanium dioxide. And then I looked and it's like, oh my gosh, and it's like, oh girl. So it's just been busy. Okay, so we have 86.9. Hopefully you can see that. And come on, lye solution. And I had to put the lye solution in the garage because it's just, I needed to get this thing going. So we got about 99.8 or 5 or something like that. So, okay. So I guess, gang, without further ado, let's get making some baby shower soap. Interrupt myself here. I don't think this Olive Branch accelerates, I don't think. Yeah, so I was thinking, okay, I had a little bit of time, and then I caught the COVID, and so that really knocked me on my keister for about at least 2 or 3 weeks. So I am behind the 8 ball here. I'm just going to give that just the quickest little buzz. Yep, so she's very flexible. She says, hey, no problem. Okay. Are we locked? There we go. We're locked in. We're locked in. Burp the baby. Burp the baby. Okay. That is all I want right there. I want this. No surprises. No surprises. I like surprises when my husband brings me things home, but not when it comes to soaping. Okay, so of course that created a few bubbles, tiny bubbles. What's in there? Huh? In the wine. Okay, makes me happy. Da, 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 da. See, that looks like it's already thick. Okay, so I don't want tons and tons and tons of this. Okay, all right. Not that they have to be even Steven. Okay, so let me call you sweetheart. Oh, I'm silly. I'm getting silly when I'm not stressing. I don't. As you guys have seen in my previous videos, I do not stress out too much. Oh, of course, I could be stressing out on the inside, but you guys would never know it. It's like, you know, you just kind of go with the flow. So this Enchanted Forest mica, I haven't used it too often. I really do have a lot of micas in my stashola. But it does have kind of a nice little gold shimmer to it. Kind of hard to see. It's nice. Okay, were you behaving in there? Yes, mother, we're behaving. Okay. And I was looking today on the Rustic Essentials website to see if they had a finished bar of this soap, you know, just so I could see what the color is when it's all done. But there was only one review, and the only picture they had was the pile of dry mica, so that did not do, it did not work. But oh well, we shall just go with the flow, huh? Okay. Then after this, I need to do the Mandarin Mirth in the 12-pound slab mold from Nurture Soap. Oh my gosh, blah, blah, blah. Wow. This is black. Black. And then that one will be kind of a white and black and orange, kind of a stripage Kendra wanted. So I was just wondering if for the black, if I wanted the activated charcoal. And I don't know about you all, but with the activated charcoal, you kind of have to really be careful of the amount and the fluidity, is that how fluid your batter is, because it is, the activated charcoal is a additive. There we go. And it does thicken up pretty dang fast. Okay, so those are still nice and runny. Okay, here's the titanium dioxide. Okay. Okay. Give the stir. Give the stir a little bottom, or is it the give the bottom a little stir? There we go. Yes, so in case you're wondering about this table, this is not my soaping table, my our oldest son, my husband and I, our oldest son, he moved into an apartment a couple of months ago on Bainbridge Island, and so he did not have a table, and so he gives me this sad puppy face, and he says, Mom, can I please borrow your soaping table? And it's like, oh my gosh. So it is there, and I'm here. Hang on. Hello. Is this what you called being challenged here? Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Okay. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Has it come to trace at all? I don't want it too runny and I don't want it too thick because I need to do a plop plop job. Because I know what's going to happen. Okay, let's give this just the smallest of blends. Small. Okay, so that was 5 seconds, gang. Are you going to thicken up on me? Okay, we got a very, very light trace. 1, 2, okay. All right. Yep. Okay, so that was 8 seconds. Not a lot, but it will thicken up. Oh, you're making such a happy little mess, aren't I? Like Bob Ross, that painter, he says that there's no accidents, there's just, what is it, happy? No, there's no mistakes. They're just happy accidents or something. Okay. Burp, burp, burp. Okay, I'm back, and things are thickening up in Olive Branch land. So let's get plopping here. So, alrighty, I'm going to, I think, just leave it just like that. Leave it kind of rustic looking. So, okay, gang, thank you so much for joining me. And I will be back maybe in a day or two to show the cut. So, alrighty, if you have enjoyed this video, everybody, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. That just means so much. And I always love to hear from you in the comments below. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.